It is responsible.
Ms. Heard, did you send a text message to Jerry Judge on May 24, 2016, telling Jerry Judge, quote, I'm desperately trying to reach Johnny. It's extremely important. Please tell him.
I remember sending the text message that is in front of me right now to Jerry. And I remember sending this because I wanted to tell Johnny or have him told by Jerry or someone who knew him or was close to him. Basically, I didn't want him to find out online that I had or was about to file, or I had already filed for divorce. I wanted him to know verbally. So I was trying to reach him through a third party to tell him. When I say reach, I'm specifically saying I would like him to know information coming from me or coming from Jerry, from me, so that he finds out about the divorce filing or my intention to do so from some other source other than TMZ, which was alerted.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Slipped up there, didn't you, Ms. Heard? You let it slip out that TMZ had been alerted to your filing of the domestic violence restraining order, didn't you?
I disagree. That's what I'm talking about.
TMZ is the same outlet that you released the video of Mr. Depp attacking the kitchen cabinets the day before this deposition was taken, wasn't it?
I didn't do that. I don't know
TMZ
how
owns
to do
the
that.
copyright to that video now, doesn't it?
I have no idea.
Did they pay you for that?
I never got paid for it because I had nothing to do with that.
So TMZ was just lucky in getting the inside scoop to your divorce from Mr. Depp, huh?
I have no idea. It is not, that's not my area of expertise. I wouldn't even know how to do that.
Call TMZ.
And also, what does that get me? If I wanted to leak things about Johnny, I could have done that in a much more successful way, in a bigger way, for years.
Not when you were extorting him for $7 million.
Tons of
I was
evidence.
exactly
You have
in the state of California, by the way. What extortion?
Tassa Van Ree is your ex-wife, right?
That's right.
Oh,
She's the one that you told this jury Mr. Depp was jealous of, right?
Yeah, well, it was 2013 fights around March, yes.
You committed domestic violence against Miss Van Ree during your relationship, didn't you?
No, I did not.
You assaulted her at a Seattle airport in 2009, didn't you?
No, I did not.
And people saw that.
They've been
That's not
holding
true.
it.
And it was covered in the press. Isn't that true?
It was planted in the press by Johnny's team 2 days after I got the TRO.
In 2009?
Can you please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 1, 2?
busted.
Amber, it was
Done.
reported at the time. I
She's
fucking
over.
know. I'm in
It's over.
Washington.
That's what they're pulling up right now.
Yep, it's over. It's
Your
done.
Honor, may we approach? Please don't
Please.
show the article that's contemporaneous to the assault because that'll look really fucking bad.
This is it. This is the ball game. Game over. She has a history of domestic violence. They held it to the perfect spot.
I mean, I thought they must have lost on the objection because they didn't
did
go
too.
after it earlier.
Yeah.
But
I
they
did
must
too.
have got either they did lose on the objection at the time and have been hammering the judge
Could you please have that
every
article
night for it.
displayed for the witness?
Here it
This is
is.
an article from 2 years ago, correct, Ms. Heard?
I don't know when this
May
was.
of 2020.
That's not when it came out, no. The story started getting planted after I got a TRO, after I got a restraining order against Johnny.
Oh, listen to her voice now.
Yeah. She knows she's fucked
The
up.
headline says Amber Heard
Objection,
allegedly
Your Honor.
struck.
Objection, Your Honor. I think Your Honor ruled she can't say that.
If you want to approach again.
So
Oh,
she did
God.
rule that she couldn't get into it.
Yeah, we'll see though.
Uh-uh.
Did she open the door in her answers on this stuff? She just said, no, I didn't do it. No, no one saw it. It was planted in the press by Johnny Depp's team. And even if the judge had ruled that you can't get this in,
The title reads Amber Heard allegedly grabbed,
ooh,
struck her ex-girlfriend at the airport, doesn't it?
Yes, and that's not true.
We're
Yeah,
liars.
of course.
May we approach?
there it is.
Oh, yeah.
There's the question. That's not true. Can we introduce the police report yet?
Now
Your
we get
Honor?
now the police report. Now the police report comes in.
Yes.
Can
She
we
coulda
introduce
just
the police
said-
report yet?
And all she had to say was, yes, that's what it says.
Yep.
That's all she had to say. If she says, yes, that's what it says, that's it. It's done. She can't even go into it after that because you've copped to it. The fact that she says she didn't do it opens the door. But
Yeah,
she should have been prepped better for this, though.
I want to see what Johnny looks like.
I just don't think she can help herself. I don't know if you can prep her for this. This is just her instinct kicking in, you know?
But it's a simple thing. If they ask you about the article, say, yeah, that's what the article says, and you're good. That's all you got to say, right? That's what it says. But
And
as
then
soon
she
as you
can
say, I didn't do it,
She
now you
can
gotta
follow
teach
up with
The judge is
follow
waving
up
her
with-
hands in frustration.
If I may start over. Amber Heard allegedly struck her ex-girlfriend Tassa Van Ree at the airport in 2009. Did I read that right?
Yes, this is another example of the smear campaign.
So Mr. Depp is not the only domestic partner you've assaulted, is he, Ms. Heard?
I've never assaulted Mr. Depp or anyone else that I've been romantically linked to, ever.
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right.
Boom!
Wow.
Sorry, redirect.
And with the ball.
Then they come out